Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can make a mini IPS. Using this charger we can charge this IPS. When we charge, this light is lighting. See, I connect the current line, now it's lighting. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pagla Biggani. Let's start it. Hello friends, today I will show you how you can make a mini IPS. For making mini IPS we need a box, mini IPS box. You can buy it from store, electronic store. And we need a switch, we need a 1K resistor, we need a LED for charging checking system, we need 2 diode, we need 4 LED and 2 LED heat skin, we need a mobile phone battery, and we need a light case. Then we need a old charger for charge our IPS. Okay, let's start. Now open the case. Now we add here our switch. Now we add this resistor and bulb together and add 2 wire. Like this. Now we add here some hot glue. Then we add our battery. Now enter this output bulb line and charging line, our charger. Now this is our charger line and this is our indicator light, and we connect those wire together. When we connect charger, then we can understand it's charging using this. Now we connect our battery plus line to switch and switch line to lamp and lamp minus to battery minus. Now we need 2 diode. We connect 2 diode together and we connect battery plus now we connect diode line to mobile charger. And finally the mobile charger minus to battery minus. Now using soldering iron we solder. See, it's done. Now let's check our output light line. Here is our one light. Yes, it's working. Now we add tape here. Now our input line, our box is ready, base box. This is our switch. When we connect charger, this light is lighting, then we can understand this is charging. Now we have one job left. Now we make a bulb for this IPS. This is our bulb case. At first we connect two LED here, then we connect as like this. Next we connect two LED. Two LED means 4 LED like this. Then we add LED here. Guys, I add here light. Now this is our output line. We add here our output line. We cannot. Now make switch on. Let's check. See, the last light is working. Now we use tape here. Now our project is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Check my previous video for more gadget